I'm going to pull it up.
Welcome back to the I Am Watson Bear channel. Today Watson has something special for you. It's build your own monster truck.
Yep.
Watson's gonna build it and paint it, and then we're going to race it.
Yep.
What should they do to your channel?
Subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe. What's the two things that you love the most? What is it? Monster trucks.
To monster truck.
And building stuff.
Building stuff.
So we found this thing. Okay? It is make your own monster truck. And Watson is going to do this by himself.
Yeah. I'm gonna need help.
I know, I'm here sitting beside you, but you're gonna take charge.
Yeah. So what else you doing?
Charlie's our dog. She wants to go outside. So while
No.
I let her outside, you can unbox it and show everyone.
Oh my God!
Can I see that? Yeah. So this is the close-up. I got this at Walmart for him.
Look how much pieces there were. Huh?
Okay.
Look at this
Uh-oh.
much pieces.
Okay.
Oh, look, there has decals.
Yeah. Let's unbox it here for everyone. Are you excited?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, first, how many tires are there?
4.
There's 4 tires. Look how big these tires are. Woohoo! And they're rubber.
Yep, that means you really have to that these trucks could go fast.
Okay, show everyone.
Look how much pieces there are. Even there's packs in it. Oh wow.
Show everyone what this is.
A tickles.
Yeah, stickers. Okay, so we have, oh, I don't have any safety glasses. There's a kid wearing safety glasses, but you're wearing glasses, you'll be fine. Okay, so we've never done this before. Tell the kids.
I never did this before. What color pieces?
Count how many different, tell us the paints, please.
White,
Yeah.
yellow, black, blue, green, red.
Okay.
And yellow, black, blue, green, red.
Okay. We're going to organize everything. I'll speed it up so you guys don't have to watch us organizing the stuff. Okay, so you get 11 colors or 10 tubes, actually 11 tubes of paint. We'll keep that for later. And now we're gonna organize this, so we won't be talking, so we're gonna go fast forward, go like this. Okay, you can dance too. Let me put this so it goes fast.
Don't look at it. It's so good. So you're doing this thing. Move that hard.
Okay, see? What's it? See? They want us to organize this like this. Okay, so yeah, just exactly as they have it. Okay. Okay, now we have to find the hood.
Put
There's a hood and then there's a hood. This is the hood?
Yeah.
Okay, put them right here. You want just take a picture. Front bumper.
put this.
Okay, put it next to it. Okay, roof. Where did you find the roof? Yeah, I think that's it. Okay, truck bed. Oh, okay, hold on.
Okay, that's just.
What do you think?
Oh, this is a bed.
Okay, put that over there. Okay, so now side beams.
Side beams.
Right here, I think there's 2. So let's organize
Look
those.
how big is these. That means this will be massive.
Okay, here's the grill, back bumper.
Wheel back.
No, I think it might be the back bumper. Because look at the shape of it. See, this is smaller. Okay. Okay, and then we need 4 struts. Here we go, circle that over there beside you. Axles. How many do we have?
2.
2?
Yeah.
Okay. And then these guys. And then these put them all nicely there. Now, we're back. Say, woo. We're back. So now we've organized our pieces and it says build your monster truck, okay? So, first of all, what do you get? One paintbrush, okay? 40-piece wooden monster truck, which is here plus here.
Ow!
Okay? Are you okay?
This is not, it's fine.
Oh, I can't.
Oh.
4 wheels, where's the wheels? Okay. Now it says 1 glue pot. Oh, that's the glue. Oh, so this is the glue, guys, okay? Thank God we read that. And 1 sticker book we have right here.
Yep.
Step 1.
What?
Slide the notches of the monster truck bed into the slots of the left and right body parts. Then apply a tiny glue layer to the slot. Let the glue dry before moving on to...
Set up, sorry.
Hey, what's that? I understand. Okay. Okay, so we're going to do number 1. Here, I'm gonna bring it closer to you guys. They say that this is 6+, but I mean, parents should help out, right? So we're on step number 1 here. Okay, Wadi.
Wait. Mom, I break that down.
Okay, look, I found another. Okay, so tell everyone we're gonna speed it up.
Speed it up.
Okay, ready?
I just this.
Okay, okay, so we need the truck bed. And I think this, sweetie, that's what's
I don't even know this.
what's in look? It's not like that, it's in the back. The back. Okay, we're gonna come back to the truck. Okay, come on. No. Let's go see.
I need glue.
What?
I need glue for this spot.
Okay, hold on, let's see. Does it go in?
No.
Let's see.
Yes, it does, but I need glue.
Okay, but does it go in good? That was the question. Like this?
Yeah, I just need glue. Oh, I need.
Okay, so we're gonna glue it now, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. And then we'll pause the video.
Yeah.
Okay?
That's why I get it. Fine.
Okay, so where's the paintbrush that you were playing around with? Okay, which one's gonna be for paint and which one's gonna be for glue?
This one for glue.
Okay. So there's one. Okay. So you want it lots in there, okay? All of it.
I did it.
Okay, and now a little bit on here. Yeah. Now to the sides. All over. Yeah, all over. Okay, and where's the... So paint all of this in here. What's wrong? Oh, you done it.
You did it.
I did it.
Yeah.
Okay, tell the kids you're gonna come back as soon as this is dry.
I will come back soon after this fine.
Okay, so we're gonna wait, right? Tell them.
I will wait. It's almost there. Now look. This is to go straight.
Okay, so it dried. Show everyone your dried pieces. Okay, it looks like a monster truck. Good, good, good. Step number 2, it says, press the roof piece on the top of the truck body, aligning the notches in the slots and applying a thin layer of glue where the pieces connect. Okay, we are on 2. So where we need to put the roof? Where's the roof, babe?
No.
Yeah? Did you guys see that? You don't even need me. Okay, bring it over here, sweetie. This is it, right? Hold up. Okay. Just be like, I'm just gonna put it. Okay, guys. Okay. Put it all in the glues over here. Oh, he's so good at this. Good job. Okay. Oh! Can I see this for a second? Wait, 1 second. Just needs a little bit more of that side. I promised that I wouldn't help, and look at me, I'm helping. Look at this, guys. Okay, step number 3. We're already on step number 3. Brush a thin layer of glue onto the notches on the bumper. Then slide it into the slots on the back of the truck body. So right here on the back it says.
This.
Yeah. That's the front, babe. Remember we were thinking it was this? This, no? That's it? For the other one? No? You for the other one?
Yes, this one.
Okay, so again. Okay. Yeah, in those groups there.
So mad at you.
Who's mad at me?
Sorry.
Charlie's our dog. She's mad at me?
Yep.
Okay, make sure you get it in these little grooves right there. Like on the lower part, yeah. And on the lower part. Okay.
This?
Yes. Yeah, that's the one. That's the one. You guys. Oh. Ah!
That's why you have to wait for it to fly.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you, Watson. Our roof came off.
Now you have to wait till it flies.
We need maybe a little bit more glue on top. So we're going to let these pieces, make sure you get it in there, sweetie. We're going to let these pieces dry. But before that, we're gonna put on the bumper. Okay. Yeah, so again. Okay, and on the other side, sweetie. Okay, now what's gonna put on the bumper? I think it's the other way around like this. Okay, put it in. Yeah.
I'm going to look at my window.
Okay, hold on for a second. We're having, oh. Okay, look at this truck, guys.
It's
Now
already
cool?
done at top.
Yeah, hold up for a second.
It's actually not done at top.
I want to see if we can continue on with the headlights going. Glue
Oh, Mom.
the straight beams to the top of the truck bed. Place once dry the.
What?
No,
One mistake is a seal.
just wait, no, because we're following how it goes. Where's these? They're asking for those.
Not these ones?
They're asking for next up are these things.
Oh, baby.
So we'll have to glue them.
I just
How do we go? Like this?
Yes.
Just wait, everyone. We're just wait. Wait, what? So, okay. Glue the straight beams to the top and the bottom of the truck bed. Once, you know what? I think it's these, babe. Right? Yeah, these are the side beams. So I'm thinking it's goes like if I had a truck, right? But one doesn't have a truck. Like that. Hold on.
It
Okay.
goes like this. I saw monster trucks.
You saw monster trucks, guys.
And this what them look.
Yeah, but what is? Bless you. Babe. Just wait. But why does this come up? Like, why is it higher? Okay, just 1 second.
I have to cut it down.
I think we've been doing it right, buddy. See? Yep. Okay, so hold up.
But it goes down.
But yeah, I think it's. But why is it on this end, right?
Oh,
What?
I did it upside down.
What do you mean?
I should have done this. What was this? No?
Yeah.
I think that's how it goes. No? What is it? I have to go to this.
Yeah, no, I think you're right though, sweetie, but is there another. Uh-oh, he's laughing at his mom, guys. I think he's laughing at mom. Okay, because buddy, I think it goes like this. Look. Okay, where's that other stick? No. Yeah, put it on top. See that?
Yeah.
It goes like that. Okay, me and Watson figured it out. We're gonna glue this and then we're going to let everything dry. That's my fault. Don't worry about it. Watson, I need you to take
It can't go.
what? Glue.
Go. Get.
Ah! No, right here, sweetie. What is that sound you're making? All of it. Okay, now we're gonna place this down here. Now I need glue on here, on this little side. Okay, hold up, my beautiful boy. Oh, what's over here? Okay, we're gonna put this over here. Now, here and here. And we're gonna come back to you guys. Right there. Oh, it's in the little box. There we go. I need one more help from you in a second. Pick that up, please. I need more glue, sir. Sir, I need glue here and here. Okay. I would say they should have got us more glue, hey? Anybody?
Yeah.
Like there, at the end. There you go.
Mom, but I saved some glue.
Okay, can you pick that up quickly? Okay, so guys,
Oh, we got the truck already.
this is our truck now. See the back piece right there?
Yeah. No, this is the sealed of it.
Just wait. Now we're going to let it. Oh, this piece is. There's. See how there's a break here?
Yeah.
Put a lot of glue in there. Okay, guys. We're gonna stop filming right now, and we're gonna come back to you. Okay?
Yeah.
Say, what do they need to do?
Subscribe to myself.
Okay, we'll be right back.
Mom, I was making an ABCD face. Subscribe to myself. You see how much has done? It's almost a fruit.
Show everyone how dry it is.
Look.
What's one thing that happened today? Can you tell the kids on YouTube?
It's got a new dog.
And his name is
Son.
John. And we love him.
Yeah, and I want to keep him.
Okay. Well, he's on a trial with us for 7 days. We are moving on.
Yeah.
Is this all glued up?
Yeah.
Okay. So, I just need to see where we.
Let's just still, do.
Flip the. Oh, here, we're on step 7, kids. Flip the truck on its roof, then apply a tiny layer of glue to the inner corners to make it extra secure. Let's let the glue dry completely, then move to step 8. But where? Where did they want the glue?
Yeah. Mom?
Inner corners.
No quarters.
It's here. We made it really good, so let's just jump to the next one. Okay, we're on step 8. Apply glue inside the 2 cutout notches of the front bumper. Then with the 3 pre-drilled holes facing out, slide the grill onto the notches. Okay, so hold on. Let's.
What?
Yeah, no, we're talking about the front of the thing is right here, right?
These are not source?
These are very hard to see, sir. No, it's the. So what is it?
These are tile holders.
3 drilled holes. The drills. Oh, so it's these guys, right? They look like these? Yeah. Okay, we're moving on. Okay. Okay. Do you want some stuff, please? I think this is what they're talking about.
Yeah, what is that?
The next one over here. Or is it the other way like this? You think it's down like that? Like this?
Yeah.
Watson says it's this way.
Oh, yeah.
And I agree with him 154%. Right? Yeah, that's what it is. Okay, so we're gonna be gluing them too. Okay, so Watson is going to use some glue. Don't be afraid. Okay, you want to glue? Wait. Oh, okay. Sorry guys, Watson has to do something. So these have to be out. Okay, Watson, come on, baby. Okay, and you want to put the glue right over here. So sorry guys, right here. Yeah, all over here. Okay, so now Watson's gonna show you how it goes out the other way. Yeah, like that. See guys? You can push it down. Good. And then grab the other one and do the same thing. Okay, where's these small dowels? Watson. Oh, probably in here, right? There. Okay, we also have these little packages that we didn't open up.
Yeah.
Okay, so what they are saying on the next one, guys.
These.
Watson's gonna take the dowels, the longer ones.
These.
Yeah, sweetie, that's good, right? Yeah. Okay, and so what they're saying is that we're going to apply glue to the...
There's only 3 of them.
Yeah, and there's 3 holes. It goes between both, but we need to put glue. Just straight glue, but.
Oh my. John, what?
John, look. Look what we're doing, John. Okay, look. I just want to make sure that we're doing it right. Yeah, so see the 3 pieces?
Yeah.
That's what we're doing right now. Okay, so Watson is going to, or do you want me to do it? You? Or
I will want you to do it.
okay. So we're just look. Beep, boop, beep. 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 I would say they need a little bit more glue on these kits. What do you think, Watson?
Yeah.
Now Watson is going to do the next step. I'm afraid what he's gonna do. Okay, go ahead. Yeah, good job. Good job. Did it go through? Almost, hey? I broke it.
You hammered that piece over.
Oh, guys, Mom did a bad thing. Okay, I have to.
So, after this,
Yeah, you can. Yeah, just, oh my gosh, guys, I really broke it.
what's it?
We'll have to come back to it. Give me the other. Okay, well, don't be too aggressive with the pieces, because we'll have to come back to.
Oh, I can do it.
I know we will. I need one more. Where's the one more? Oh, we're gonna fix it and we're gonna come back to you.
We might both have to do it.
Okay. Okay, see right over here? See, I broke this little piece right over here. Go ahead. Okay, hold on. Just put the thing in there. Okay. I need more. I need more glue, babe. Okay. Yeah, we'll have to let that one. Really. Okay. Okay, guys, we'll come back to you. So, right. And we're on step 10 next.
I can put the Lego person on.
Okay. Tell everyone we're back.
I bet.
I'm back.
Yeah, because she's all fired up.
Okay.
Because,
Let me just adjust the camera a little bit.
look, this is only fun.
It's set up now.
I'm going to put the Lego person in here.
Okay guys, we are back after Watson's little break after he broke his piece. It was me.
It was Mom.
Okay, so now, did we say that we were on step 10? Yeah. Apply glue to the edge of the step rail. Then place them on the left and the right side of the truck.
These?
So, yeah, steppies are these ones. These ones.
These are so tiny.
Okay, so we need glue right here and right here, but they're gonna go like that.
Oh.
Okay, we need, guys, we need glue.
What's that?
Don't forget to subscribe to I Am Watson Bear. Oh, they can't see the thing, but that's okay. Oh, look how much little glue we have. What happened? Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Owie.
Look at.
Ouch. We will have to get more glue downstairs. No, they didn't give us enough glue. Why am I doing this? What the? Okay. Everybody's having fun? Okay. Okay. They have to lay down, sweetie. Oh, jeez. Yeah, I can see what's happening. Like that. You okay? Okay, well there we have an injury, guys. Okay, so now let's. Okay, I'm gonna put this right over here to dry. And now it says that we need to grab these guys.
It's over here. All them.
Yeah.
Mom, these are full.
I think we have to use these guys. Okay, I think it's these little. I'll put this truck over this. Okay, so let's see. We have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. How many of these things do we have?
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 these.
Okay, hold on. So now, apply the thin dabs of glue on the 2 upper right here. Oh, okay, I see. Okay, so we're gonna come back in just 1 second. I need more glue. Stay up. Tell everyone we have to get more glue.
We have to get more glue.
Okay, we are back with more glue.
I only made that inch.
Okay, so Watson is going to dip his brush into the glue. And then inside these 2 things, yeah, go ahead, in, around, go, in both of them.
That looks.
Okay, as long as everyone sees. Now you're gonna take a thingy and place it in like that. Good? We'll have to let this,
No, one more.
yeah, we're gonna all do all 4 of them, but let's go like that so it doesn't glue to the paper. Okay, I'll hold it. Are you enjoying this craft, sir?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead, put those little 2 thingies in. Okay, good. 2 more, please, sir. Who's your favorite monster? Zombie? Okay,
Another diggle. Wagon.
oh, okay. Okay, so now wait. Okay, we're gonna do this. Yeah. Okay, put that over here.
So we should.
Okay. Okay, so now,
Actually, that was,
John?
yeah.
Okay.
That's
Now
a
they
nice
said
shape.
that, see these holes?
Yeah.
We have to put glue in there.
To
So-
keep these.
Yes, how did you know this? He's so smart, guys. Okay, so, ready? You have to put the glue inside the holes, please. And we're going to let this dry completely and come back to you. Okay. See this, guys?
He's going to hold these big
Yeah.
tight on.
Okay, we need glue in here, sir. Sir. Go ahead, I'm going to. You gotta get Mama. She's so loud. Okay. Okay, one more.
Calm down, Shelly.
And then we're gonna come back to you when it's dry. We're almost done. We're on step. This was step 13. Okay?
No, I did these two. Now you have to do this.
Okay. Have a big one. Oops. Oops. Look, my hands are so gluey that I pulled out stuff. No? I don't worry. Oh, okay.
Let's go through it again.
No.
It's way big titles.
Everyone will be right back.
Wait.
Wave at them.
I'm back.
Okay, so we are back. Watson got a card from McDonald's. We had to fix our truck. What did we have to fix, Watson? The grill
Yeah.
was upside down, and then the hood couldn't fit, so we had to take it apart.
Yeah.
But now it's back. Now Watson, we're gonna put it on the
On
wheels. Okay?
Oh, cell phone could move.
Okay.
I
So
got two panels. Hold.
attach a wheel to each side of the axle, then glue each side. Slide the washers through the. Hold up. Okay. So the last part is.
I'm going to test this on the treadmill for y'all smooth.
Uh-oh, that's okay. So there's ones without a hole, so you need the ones with the hole. No. Ah! Okay, you ready?
One hole?
No.
You want one hole?
Okay, put it in through. No, one more. Yeah. Okay. You're gonna do this on the other side. You know that, right? Okay, hold up. Okay, hold up. What is? Okay, attach a wheel on each side, then glue the. Okay, so now wheels, please.
So I have
Oh, I think it's this right. So, okay, like this. Okay, what's the other one? Ah! The outing is yeah. Okay. I'll hold this side. Okay, hold up. Now he's gonna do the other side. See? Oh, hold on. How many do we have?
I've got one more.
So we have two?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
got-
Okay, then we're doing good. Okay, Watson, do the same thing as you did right here. Give me those two things first. Yeah, and two of them. We did it wrong. Just hold back. Okay, we did it wrong. You ready?
Yeah.
Mom did it wrong. These things go out.
If that's what you thought.
I know. And Mom didn't listen to you. Horrible mother. Horrible mother. Hey? I wish that the instructions were clear. Ready?
Ugh, look at these.
What's the last step to do?
The wheels.
Yep. Watson's gonna put the wheels on. Remember, those go out. Okay. Ready? Okay, good.
It should go.
Oh, yeah. Go ahead. Okay. It's okay, because we're gonna glue those pieces there in a second. And then we're gonna come back after this. No, the other way around. The other way. Yeah. After this dries, we're gonna come back to you.
What size?
Because we're gonna be gluing the last pieces, these little things on.
Yeah.
Alright, hold the stick. There you go. Now push. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, so now
Those
Watson.
dice going to go fast.
Yeah. Watson, here's your glue. Yeah.
That one's too for glue.
What I need you to do, see these holes? You want to put glue inside the holes. Lots of glue. Make sure they're covered. Oh, nice. Nice, yes. Come on. Come on. Okay. Nice. Nice. So it's an easy truck to put together, right, buddy?
Yeah.
They just don't give you enough glue. No, no. You lost it. This is what holds it. Okay. Ready? That's okay.
I won't.
Tell the kids what we're gonna do after this dries.
I will paint it.
Okay, put that on there. Is it on?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
I should test it on a treadmill this time.
On the treadmill?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
It's going fast.
Yeah, we'll do it on the treadmill. That's a good idea.
Look,
Got it? It's okay.
not tough enough.
Oh, guys, there's not enough. Okay. Am I doing it?
Yeah, that's
Okay.
we'll do the last one.
Okay, good. Okay, thanks. Here, push it in. Nice. Okay, kids, we're gonna come back when it's dry. So we'll show you how it looks.
Dad, come look at it.
Let's see. Oh my gosh!
Okay, kids, this is the completed build of the monster truck. Show them. What are we gonna do now?
Paint.
We're gonna paint, and then we're gonna come back to you guys. So this is our monster truck in the back.
This is
We put this piece upside down, so this should have been on the other side, but that's okay.
yeah.
Show them how they roll, how the truck rolls. Okay? So Watson, tell the kids I'm gonna paint now,
I'm going to paint now.
and then we're coming back to you to show you guys how it looks.
It's going to be
It's beautiful. Turn it around for everyone.
even this one toe fall off.
Ah, that's okay.
If no time, it will.
Okay, we're gonna test it on the treadmill for you guys.
A hook.
Okay.
The hook. So it's supposed to go there.
Okay.
I had a.
Okay, let's do it again. That's so funny. That didn't even last 2 seconds. Okay. Okay. Okay, push him back. Push him back. Okay. Okay, put him on like the highest speed. We'll see what happens. Here, I'll hold him.
Pause always.
That's okay. Okay, go ahead. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay, say bye, kids.
Bye, kids.